Back behind this petcock there is a choke knob, and today I'm going to show you how to dress that black OEM choke knob up with either the Highway Hawk or the Pro 1 choke knob cover. Come on in and take a look. Okay, right here we have a Pro 1 choke knob cover. We're going to go ahead and unscrew it from the retainer. We're now going to pull the stock choke knob in the all the way out position. Now this is a chamfered edge, so we're going to go ahead and slide that over the choke knob. We're going to pull this forward, putting pressure on this rubber knob. I'm now going to hold this in place as I screw on my chrome choke knob cover. There we have it. We now have a chrome choke knob cover installed, eliminating some of the dark and dreary back between this V.